Hey guys, this is Maria Cox with Harley-Davidson in Rock Hill, South Carolina. Today we're going to be going over the Auroral 3-in-1 leather jacket. This is a great year-round jacket. This is a mid-weight cowhide leather jacket. I'm going to be going over some of the features and benefits with you today, and it's also one of my best sellers. So to begin, we have the mandarin collar that doesn't flip in your face while riding. It also has the reflective piping and reflective graphics, along with pre-curved sleeves because your arms are extended while riding, which is really super neat. It has 2 chest pockets, 2 hand warmer pockets. Also, it comes with 4 vents for more ventilation, 2 in the front and also 2 in the back. It has adjustability at the waist, also at the shoulder, so you get more mobility while riding, more comfort. On the inside, you'll see it has a interior pocket that's good for your media port, so you can bring your earbuds up to the collar and into your ears to listen to whatever you'd like to listen to. Also, it has an extra stash pocket for maybe some important documents, license, things like that. It comes with 4 body armor pockets, 2 in the shoulders, also 2 in the elbows. Armor in this jacket is actually sold separately. It's 2 pieces to a pack, so you would need 2 packs of armor to be able to feel this. You could also take them out and use them in other Harley jackets that you may purchase. It has a removable hood that comes with 2 pockets, so and also the lined hood. That's why it's called a 3-in-1. You can wear the hood separate, you can wear it with the jacket, or you can wear the jacket separate. This is a great year-round jacket. It keeps you cool and as well as warm. So any questions or anything, just come and see us here at Cox Harley-Davidson. Again, my name is Marie.